All right, people, good morning. And today I'm going to teach you how to use InShot, Canva, and the rest of the other apps. But today, let's start with Canva and creating your logo. So this is how to go about it. The first thing is I'm using this recorder, which you can see on my screen. It's called the DU recorder. All right. And so we're going straight now to Canva. And so these are the main apps I use for my editing. This is Canva in the center with a C. So you open Canva and oh, sorry, I don't have my internet. So let me get my internet started. So I take it off plane mode and I have my internet started. So I retry and that's it. So you go to your designs, right? Or you search. In this case, I'm going to search. So I'm searching up here and I put in logo and I want it to be something to do with real estate. All right. And I go search and that's that. So I see several logos. And so I'm going to create a fresh logo and I'm going to use this particular symbol. All right, it's minimal, and then I'm going to click on edit. All right, so in the edit function, I'm going to check away. I'm going to click on this minimal for about 2 seconds, and then it's going to pop up, and then I'm going to take it away by dragging and placing. I can also click on this. It's going to show you a white button. I drag and place. You can click on the edges to reduce, to resize. You can click on the circle to turn it upside down, as the case may be. But in this case, I like it as it is. You can see. All right, and I come to minimal again. I drag minimal to where I want it to be. I change it to the name of my company as properties, and you see it's broken. So I have to extend that white dot at the end and take it to where I want. I want it like this. It looks good. All right. I will want to keep the text. I don't want to change it. So I'm going to use the duplicate function at the top beside the dustbin delete function icon, and then I'm going to click on that and it duplicates, and then I'm going to change this. It's centralized now, as you can see, under LATO, and so I'm going to change it by taking it to the extreme or bringing it to the top. So I'm bringing it to the front, and so I'm going to change the text to something better like Nigeria, because I want people to go to my website when they click Nigeria and .com. All right, and then I'm going to change this also, that is centralized. I'm going to change it to left indent, and then I'm going to bring Nigeria to fit just about there. All right, okay, that's it. And then I want another one to show my telephone number, so I'm just going to duplicate by clicking on this button up here, and then I'm going to edit and always put your number to be internationally based so that people from abroad can get in touch with you. And that's that. I'm going to try and reduce it a little bit, and then I put it up there. It's too big, so I'm going to reduce it a little bit more and drop it there. What I'm trying to do is keep my customers available to me. So that's that. I created my logo. All right, so this is an orange with a black background, or kind of brownish black. All right, so I'm going to save it. I'm going to use this logo for my videos going forth. So that's one. Your design has been saved. I'm going to click on the back button. I'm not sharing it for now, and then I'm going to continue editing. So the background is coffee black, I think, right? So I'm going to change it to white just in case I have a white background. So I bring here, and you can see the colors. I click on the background, and then you can see the colors come up. I scroll and I want white, so I select white, and that's white. I'm going to save that also. I double click on the background again, it goes back to my normal age, and then the down arrow button is for saving. So I'm saving it since my design has been saved. So I have two designs saved already. I also want to use this design for the black background, right? And I want to change it. So when I use a black background, I want the text to show as white. So I click on the text, I click on the background, and I get the colors pop out, and I choose black under this green, and that's it. All right, and then I want the designs to be white, so I start changing the colors at the extreme right. I change this to white, I change us properties to white, I change telephone number to white, I change the design here, transparency, I like it as it is. I change the color to white, and that's that. So my logo is done, simple, neat, and quiet. And then I do what? I save it. And so that's saved. So I have three copies of my logo. I have it in orange, I have it in black, I have it in white. All right. So now that I've done that, that is how to create your logo. If you want to do any other thing, it's your choice, but the simpler, the better, right? And then I save it again just to be sure, and that's that. And so that's how to create a logo. So once again, I hope I've given you value. If you like what I'm doing, go ahead, join my channel, and you get, more products. But if you want to do something better, join our membership, enroll, pay a little sum of money for such awesome content, and you'll always get value.